You know what's wild? Everyone's obsessed with blueberries, calling them the ultimate superfood. But there's this native fruit that actually destroys blueberries in every single health category, and almost nobody even knows it exists anymore. I'm talking 3 times more antioxidants, better vitamins, stronger minerals, and it grows naturally right here in North America. So why did we completely forget about it? And more importantly, why are scientists now saying we made a massive mistake by abandoning it? Stay with me because what I'm about to show you is going to change how you think about superfoods forever. The fruit I'm talking about is the Aronia berry, also called the chokeberry. Now I know what you're thinking. Chokeberry doesn't exactly sound appealing, right? But don't let the name fool you. This small, dark purple fruit is native to North America, and it's been growing wild in forests and wetlands for thousands of years. Native Americans knew about its power and used it for medicine and food. But here's the thing, somewhere along the way, we just stopped paying attention to it. While blueberries became a billion-dollar industry, Aronia berries got left behind, growing wild and mostly forgotten. And that's crazy because when you actually look at the science, this fruit is in a completely different league. But before I get into why it's so powerful, you need to understand what we actually lost when we stopped growing it. Let's talk numbers because this is where it gets absolutely insane. When researchers compared Aronia berries to blueberries, they couldn't believe what they found. Aronia berries have 3 times more antioxidants than blueberries. 3 times. We're talking about one of the highest antioxidant levels of any fruit on the planet. These antioxidants fight inflammation, protect your cells from damage, and basically help your body defend itself against disease. But it doesn't stop there. The vitamin C content? Way higher than blueberries. The fiber? Nearly double. And here's something that really stood out to researchers. Aronia berries contain compounds called anthocyanins at levels that make blueberries look weak. These are the same compounds that give the berries their deep purple color, and they're linked to better heart health, improved brain function, and even cancer prevention. Now wait, it gets better. Studies have shown that Aronia berries can actually help lower blood pressure more effectively than other berries. They improve cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation in your gut, and some research even suggests they help regulate blood sugar. Think about that for a second. We have this native fruit that could be helping millions of people with diabetes, heart disease, and inflammation issues. But instead, we're focusing on blueberries. And the wild part? Aronia berries are ridiculously easy to grow. They don't need pesticides, they survive harsh winters, they resist disease naturally, and they produce fruit year after year without much care. Meanwhile, we're shipping blueberries thousands of miles and spraying them with chemicals to keep them fresh. It makes 0 sense when you really think about it. But here's what nobody talks about, and this is the part that actually made me angry when I discovered it. There's a specific reason why Aronia berries disappeared while blueberries took over, and it has nothing to do with health benefits or nutrition. The real reason is something the food industry doesn't want you to think about. Keep watching because once you understand this, you'll see the whole superfood market differently. So, what happened? Why did we abandon this incredible native fruit? The answer comes down to 3 things, and the third one is the most important. First, taste. Aronia berries are tart, really tart. They're not the kind of fruit you just pop in your mouth like candy. Blueberries won the popularity contest because they taste sweet right off the bush. Americans wanted convenient, sweet snacks, and Aronia berries didn't fit that image. But here's the thing, neither do cranberries, and we still made those work. So, taste alone doesn't explain it. Second, marketing and timing. In the 1900s, blueberry farmers created a massive marketing push. They positioned blueberries as the perfect American fruit, easy to grow commercially. easy to ship, and easy to sell. Aronia berries never got that same investment or attention. No big agricultural companies pushed them, no major marketing campaigns, nothing. They just stayed wild and forgotten while blueberries became a cultural icon. But here's the third reason, and this is the one that really matters: shelf life and profit margins. Blueberries can be picked, packaged, and shipped across the country while staying fresh for weeks. They're perfect for grocery stores and long supply chains. Aronia berries are more delicate, and they're so packed with compounds that they actually start losing some nutrients faster after picking. For big food companies, that's a problem. They couldn't maximize profit the same way. So, what happened? The industry chose profit over nutrition. They chose convenience over health benefits, and we all just went along with it because we didn't know any better. For decades, Aronia berries stayed forgotten in the wild, while blueberries dominated every supermarket, every health blog, and every smoothie recipe. We literally abandoned the more powerful fruit for the more profitable one. Now here's where this gets personal for you. Everything I just told you about what we lost, that's not just history. Because right now, there's a growing movement to bring Aronia berries back, and it's happening for a reason. Scientists are realizing we can't ignore this fruit anymore. But there's something you need to know before you go looking for it. In the last few years, research on Aronia berries has exploded. Universities are studying them, health experts are talking about them, and small farmers are starting to grow them again. Why now? Because we're finally understanding that the most nutrient-dense foods aren't always the ones being sold to us. Here's what makes Aronia berries so relevant today. We're dealing with an inflammation crisis. Heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune conditions, all of these are linked to chronic inflammation. And Aronia berries are one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory foods on Earth. Studies show they reduce inflammatory markers in your blood faster than almost any other fruit. They're also incredible for your gut health. The fiber and polyphenols in Aronia berries feed the good bacteria in your digestive system, which affects everything from your immune system to your mental health. Plus, in a world where people are looking for natural ways to support their health without relying on supplements, Aronia berries offer a real solution. And here's the sustainability angle. These berries are native, which means they grow naturally in North American climates without needing tons of water, fertilizers, or pesticides. Compare that to blueberries, which often require intensive farming practices. If we're serious about local sustainable food systems, Aronia berries make way more sense. The problem? Most grocery stores still don't carry them. You might find Aronia juice or powder in health food stores, but fresh berries are rare. That's slowly changing as more people discover them, but we're still years away from seeing them as common as blueberries. So, what can you actually do with this information? First, if you're into gardening, Aronia berry bushes are surprisingly easy to grow. You can order them online, plant them in your yard, and they'll produce berries for years with almost no maintenance. They're hardy, they survive cold winters, and they don't attract many pests. If you're not a gardener, look for Aronia products at health food stores or online. You can find Aronia juice, dried berries, powder, and even jam. Yes, they're tart, but you can mix them into smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt. Some people even make Aronia berry tea. There's also a bigger movement happening. Small farms across the US and Canada are starting to grow Aronia berries commercially. By supporting these farmers, you're literally helping bring this forgotten superfruit back into our food system. And the more people buy them, the more farmers will grow them, and eventually they'll become as common as blueberries. The power is actually in our hands as consumers. We decide what foods make a comeback. Look, I'm not saying blueberries are bad. They're still healthy and delicious. But we've been ignoring a native superfruit that's objectively more powerful, more sustainable, and just as easy to grow. The only reason Aronia berries disappeared is that the food industry chose profit over nutrition, and we just accepted it. But now you know the truth. You know that there's a forgotten fruit out there that delivers more antioxidants, more vitamins, more health benefits than the one we've been told is the best. And you know why it was abandoned. So, here's my question for you. Do you think forgotten native foods like Aronia berries deserve a second chance? If you do, share this video with someone who's into health and nutrition. Let's spread the word and bring the superfruit back where it belongs. And let me know in the comments, would you actually try Aronia berries if you could find them?